Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, and today we're making blue cheese and pumpkin gnocchi. So this is a homemade gnocchi recipe that I did here. Fair bit of warning, this gnocchi recipe is a bit soft and it might not be as malleable as the normal gnocchi, but it was fun to make, and regardless it still is beautiful, as you could see in here, and I'm just like, ooh, wanna eat it now. So again, if you like my channel, please click subscribe. If you like this video, please click the like button, and if you have more things for me to cook, comment down below and share the video. And after the intro, ta-da! So here are our ingredients. We'll need pumpkin. This is butternut pumpkin. We'll need black pepper, salt, brown onions, garlic, egg, blue cheese, plain flour, Nuttelex or butter. I'm using Nuttelex here, and some fresh basil leaves. So let's begin. Aside from the other ingredients, I forgot to mention we'll need thickened cream and oil as well. So yeah, let's now properly begin. First off, let's remove the seeds from our pumpkin using a spoon. As you can see here, just go around and cut it into pieces. And then after cutting into pieces, just try to peel it off, removing the top bit for a little bit easier, then cut off on the side like so. Just go around it, and you get here. Now you have the skins. We keep it because we're gonna cook it later on. And now we're gonna cut it into cubes like so, and just keep going until you get this wonderful cubes. And then we go on to our onions. We peel it and then we cut it into squares as well, or at least cubes. And then just get to our garlic, crush it. You don't have to chop or mince it, you just have to peel it off and have it whole, and just put it on the tray like so, and put on some oil. Drizzle some oil about it, some salt, some black pepper. Now let's pop it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. And then once it's ready, it will be mushy like so. And then when it's done, you separate the pumpkin into a separate bowl. And now the separate pumpkin, we just crush it, like mash it as much as we can, and then make it into this paste. And then add some flour, add some salt, add your eggs, and mix it until it forms to a sticky dough. Add more flour as long as it doesn't become too stiff, and just keep on rolling it. And now put it on a floured surface like you see here, and just like roll it into cylindrical cubes like so, and then cut it into smaller pieces. And keep going until you get like the entire thing, and just like, yeah, just keep cutting. As you can see here, remember that the mixture is kind of sticky, so always remember to have a lot of flour on the surface so that it doesn't stick too much on your board. And then you'll have something like this, and you'll have something like this. And now we move on to the skins. We put it in our air fryer for 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Coat it with oil like so, spray it, some salt, and just give it a good toss, and then put it in the air fryer. And now we go to our sauce, our pumpkin sauce. We put in some butter here, we put in some of our pumpkin, and then we add in a dash of cream in there, and then we put it in our NutriBullet to mix. So you want it to be pureed like so, and once it's pureed, you'll have this wonderful mixture here. And then we move on to cooking our gnocchi. We'll make sure that our pot is full of water and it's boiling now. So you just want to add in your gnocchi slowly into it, and then once it starts floating on top, it means that it's cooked and ready, and just put it aside as you go. And in a separate pan, you want to put in our sauce. So our pumpkin puree will be here, and once it bubbles, you add in your blue cheese, and once the blue cheese is there, just crush it. So what we want to do is incorporate it into the sauce, so when you'll see it, it's going to keep bubbling, it's going to keep melting. And once it's melted, it will look something like this. And you want to add in your cooked gnocchi already. So the goal is just to ensure that we cook it for a minute or so to have it like coat and have some flavor. And now we go to the plating. Here is our air fried skins, and we just put it on the plate like so. You can put as many or as little as you want on the plate, but you can go in this one. And now we put in our air fried skins. They're a bit crispy and they're tasty too. and then you add in your basil leaves on top. You can put as many or as little as you want. Just put it around it there, and the next thing we'll be putting on our blue cheese really. So now our blue cheese are here, just crumble it on top and just keep crumbling as much as you can. If you want more, you can do it. And there you have it, blue cheese and pumpkin gnocchi.